Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, let's do the beef balls now. Now, these ones we're going to serve two different ways. Serve one way for adults and one way for kids. Alright, first thing we need, 500 grams of beef mince. Then we need to add our spices. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, grounded cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika. And half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now we want to take all our rings off, wash our hands, and then we want to get in there with our hands no other way and squeeze the living life out of it all and get all those spices through all the mince properly. Oh, those spices, that smells fantastic. Alright, next thing we do is you get 1 small brown onion and you chop it up really small. Put that in there. 2 tablespoons of freshly cut parsley and leave a little bit to garnish with. 2 eggs, 2 small eggs or 1 large egg. Now we want 1 heaped tablespoon. I've got the jar garlic minced. But if you've got fresh garlic, you want 1 garlic clove crushed up in there. Otherwise, a heaped teaspoon of your jar garlic. Good sprinkling of salt. And now we want to grab a fork and mix it up really, really well. Alright, once we've got that mixed in really well, we want to get a heaped tablespoon. Roll her up. And keep going until you've done them all. Oh, they look so good. They smell awesome. Alright, I made 16 this time. Now, if you need to make a boatload up for a heap of people, just like I said with the curried ones as well, just if you double your mince, just double everything. Double your ingredients, quadruple, 4 times it, whatever you have to do, alright? Now the next thing we do is we cover them in Glad wrap and we put them in the fridge for at least an hour so the egg can make them set so they don't fall apart. You can absolutely make these the day before as long as you keep them in the fridge as well. Once the hour's up, I'm going to fry them on up in the frying pan with a tiny little bit of olive oil. But they're great anyway. But barbecue, no matter what way you want to fry them up, just cook them all up. Well, these little beauties smell amazing. Alright, so once you've cooked them, put them on paper towel to soak up all that oil off. And now we're going to serve up. So I'm going to serve kids first. The kids ones I serve up, I'll just get myself a jar of bolognese sauce, pasta sauce, any one you want, your favourite one or whatever. I'll put it in a little saucepan and I'll heat some up. A bit of hot sauce in the bowl. Now normally I would use fresh parmesan or pizza cheese or something, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to do a little bit of parmesan out of the jar. Alright, put your balls in. I'm going to make one of the little ones up, so I'll just do 3. A little bit of parsley over the top. Maybe 1 more little sprinkle of cheese, just the tiniest little bit. And there you have it. You've got beef balls for the kids. Alright, so now to serve them up for the adults, I like using Greek style yoghurt. Alright, so any plain yoghurt will do. Now I'll get a tablespoon. Let's see if I can do this twice in a day. Tablespoon on there. Start from near the back here and oh, twice in one day. Alright, I'll turn it around so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, balls on. I'll just put 3 on. A little bit of parsley over the top. check them out. Oh my god, mate. It looks so good. It tastes so good. Alright, thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. Bye.